guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I shape and groom my eyebrows at home. So as you can see, my eyebrows have become like unruly little caterpillars that seem to have a life of their own. But looking on the bright side, at least there are two caterpillars versus one big one or a unibrow. The things you will need to groom and shape your brows are a spoolie brush, a piece of thread that's long enough to go across both the brows, an eyebrow pencil, I'm using the one from Essence, a pair of tweezers, a pair of scissors, a razor, any oil, I'm using grapeseed oil, you just need a little bit, and a mirror. To start shaping my brows, I'm going to take a spoolie brush and brush the eyebrow hairs down, and then I'm going to take the thread and gently mark my skin in a straight line where my eyebrows start at the top and where the lowest arch is, so both the arches can be aligned. Now I'm going to take my eyebrow pencil and connect the arch to where my brows start. I'm also going to mark where my eyebrow ends. To do this, I'm going to take the thread and align the edge of my nose, outer edge of my eyes, and my brow to make sure they both end at the same spot on my face. I don't want one eyebrow longer than the other. And then again, just connect the arch to where the eyebrow ends with the eyebrow pencil. Now, making sure all the hairs are brushed downward, I'm going to start removing the excess hair from the top of my eyebrows above the line that I just made. Once that's done, I'm going to brush the brow hairs upwards and take the same thread and in a straight line, mark the bottom of where my brows start with the thread and then with the pencil. I'll do the same thing to align both the arches and then connect the arch to where my brow starts and ends. Then holding my skin tight so I don't accidentally grab my skin with the tweezers, I'm just going to tweeze all the excess hair that are outside the line. To make sure my brows start at the same point on both sides of my face, I'm going to take the thread and align it to the edge of my nose, the inner corner of my eyes, and where my brows start. And you know the drill by now, gently mark it with a thread, then with a pencil, and remove the excess hair outside the line. Now to groom your brows, brush the brow hairs upwards and trim off any of the longer hairs, then brush them downwards and trim the long hairs again. The reason I do this is because it makes my eyebrows look well maintained and I don't have to worry about any rogue long hairs just, coming out of place. Because personally, I don't use any eyebrow gel. I normally just keep them well trimmed. Then brush off all the hair from your face and take a little bit of the grapeseed oil or whichever oil you're using and apply it to the skin around your brows on the top and the bottom, and holding your skin tightly, gently use the razor to remove any fine hairs. And that's it. If after watching this tutorial you're thinking, well, it'll be much easier if I get my eyebrows done professionally, well, I agree with you. I mostly get them done professionally because I'm known to accidentally remove extra hair, especially when I'm tired. But if you do follow the tutorial and do your eyebrows at home, let me know how it goes in the comments down below. And with that said, if you like this video or got value out of it, please smash the like button, subscribe to my channel for more health and beauty related videos, and hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload my next video. Till then, bye bye.